Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you Java not equal to comparison operator. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Java not equal to comparison operator? Well, basically, Java not equal to comparison operator is an operator is the I mean is the opposite of the double equal to comparison operator. Yeah, so it's the opposite. So the double equal to means like it's equal to, but this one is not equal. So this is how we write the not equal to sign. So yeah, it's the opposite of it. And yeah, it applies the same rules as the double equal to sign, but like in the opposite way. Like I'll show you some examples by using like the I'll show you some examples by using the not equal to comparison operator. Okay, so first of all we need to write int. I'll write y is equals to 56. No, not 56. I'll just write 4. Okay, then I write int a is equals to 32, and then I write system.out.println. Then inside these parentheses, can write yeah, we'll write a y is not equal to a. So when we execute this code, it's gonna give us the result uh, true, right? Because 4 is not equal to 32. 4 is equals to 4, right? So yeah, so it applies the same rules as the double equal to sign, but the opposite way. Oops. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is happening? Oh, wait. I just pressed Control Z by accident. Int X. Yeah, I'll just set it again. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we can, there are also like yeah, so I mean like we can write like in other ways through like in the like for loop, if statement, do while loop, like yeah, applies the same rules as the double equal. So yeah. And yeah, so um like I'll show you how to write it like this same condition inside the if, like in the if loop and like the for loop and all of that stuff. Okay, so in the if statement, I'll write the same condition, y is not equal to x. So yeah, this is just like yeah, I'm just showing you like how to write like how to write this condition like in this like in for loop, but I'm not gonna show you the remaining like of the if statement, like the else if and all of that stuff. And you need to write the curly brace after too, because I'm gonna teach you like in another video about the if and else loop. Yeah, now in the for loop you just need to write the same condition, but it's gonna be like different way. Mm. Yeah, so we can also write it. Um, oops. Yeah. So we can also write it like this. Yeah, but it will be different. Like I'll show you like in another video, which I'll be talking about the for loop, the if loop, and all of these loops and these statements. So yeah, this is how to write it is inside the this condition inside the for loop and the if statement. And we can also write as usual, like here I wrote inside the system.out.println. So yeah, it works like the if statement, the system.out.println. If y is not equal to x, then it's gonna it's gonna give us like we are asking Java if y is not equal to x, then Java will respond to us true. Yeah. And yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so you won't miss out any videos that I upload. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.